Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi. Suhana and Ishwari on cloud nine as Dev and Sonakshi get engaged. Sony TV's romantic love saga Kuch Rang Pyar Ke Aise Bhi will witness happy moments as Dev and Sonakshi get united. Sonakshi was not ready to confess her feelings of love for Dev, neither she was ready to stop Dev's engagement. But then Suhana motivates her and her motivation works, after which Sona not only breaks Dev's engagement but she confesses her feeling for Dev. Everyone gets really happy after seeing all this. Dev happily hugs Sonakshi and tells her that he also loves her a lot. Then Dev and Sonakshi get engaged and everybody clap happily. Radha and Vicky get furious after seeing all this. What do you have to say on this? Leave your comments below. And for more such updates, do subscribe our channel TV Prime Time.